employers in Hong Kong. I am Cherlyn Kongson, 41 years of age from Dinaping, Isabela, Philippines. Married, blessed with 3 kids, 2 girls, ages 22, 18, 1 boy, 4 years of age. I am a college graduate with the course of Bachelor of Science in History, and I am a Roman Catholic. Currently, I work as a domestic helper here at Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Ended contract on October 27, 2025. I serve the family of 8, including 1 elderly, 6 adults, and 1 kid. My main duties is to take care of the kid, sending and pick upping from the school, teach a basic English and math, writing, and reading. I prepare cooking meals. I do washing dishes, cleaning the house, washing the clothes, ironing, gardening, to take care of different pets, car washing, and I go to the market. I want to work in Hong Kong because Hong Kong is the safest country, nice people, and employers give high salary. I want to support my family and for the future of my kids. To my future employers, I hope you consider my application. I promise that I do my best and I do my duties and responsibilities diligently because I am honest, trustworthy, hardworking, God-fearing, and happy person. I follow the employer's rules and regulation. I respect the tradition and culture, and I treat you as my own family. Thank you very much for your time, Ma'am and Sir, and God bless.